Hello, today we will guide you through how to connect Zendesk to Jira. In this walkthrough, we'll connect your Zendesk account to Jira using the Zendesk Admin Center. This setup is helpful if your team wants to link support activity with engineering or project tracking workflows, making it easier to move between customer issues and Jira tasks. To begin, open Zendesk and go to the home screen. Once you're there, look to the top left area of the page for the Support drop-down menu. Click that drop-down to open the available options. From that menu, select Admin Center. This will take you out of the regular support workspace and into the area where your apps, integrations, and account settings are managed. After Admin Center loads, turn your attention to the left-hand navigation panel. Find the section for Apps and Integrations, then click on the Integration App area in the left navigation. This is where Zendesk keeps connected tools and related setup options. Next, click on Integrations. You should now be on the page where available and installed integrations are listed. From here, look for Jira. If you have several integrations installed, take a moment to scan the list carefully so you select the correct one. It helps to pause briefly here and make sure you're working with the Jira integration before moving forward. Once you've found Jira, click the three-dot menu associated with it. This usually opens a small action menu with additional options for that integration. In the menu, choose Connect. This starts the connection flow between Zendesk and Jira. You'll then be prompted to enter the Jira account details. At this stage, type in the appropriate Jira account information for the connection. As always, make sure the details are entered accurately, since even a small typo can prevent the integration from being established properly. If your organization manages multiple Jira environments, double-check that you're connecting the correct one before continuing. When everything has been entered, go to the bottom right area of the screen and click Connect to Jira. Zendesk will then attempt to complete the connection using the information you provided. Once that's done, the integration should be in place, allowing Zendesk and Jira to work together more smoothly. If the connection doesn't go through on the first try, review the Jira account information and try again. That's all it takes to connect Zendesk to Jira.